So this is a secondary window to find formulas. Let's say you just don't really know what it's called, right? You can actually search by function. And let's say I want to add something, right? It'll give me all the different options that include addition, right? So it'll say sum, if, RTD, sum product, dsum. So they all have their specific functions, but this is how, this is a tool if you get lost. You can go to that function icon, select it, type in a brief description or just a couple letters from what you think you want, and it'll pull up everything that might be related to it. This is your Excel Google search bar. All right, good, cool. All right, so let's go back to our graph, all right? So that's how you get through formulas and stuff. Now, another high school is participating. They do it every year. One of the things they do is they run biodiesel blends. So they blend it with petroleum, and they run the fuel through a generator, and then they look at the exhaust particles that come out. And biodiesel burns cleaner than petroleum, right? And these things are sensitive enough to where they can actually pick up the difference between a 25% biodiesel blend and 100% biodiesel blend, okay? But what they're really looking at is trends. They want to see how the particles trend as the fuel changes, right? So the old way you'd have to do that, who knows what the formula of a line is? The equation for the formula of a line. Y equals mx plus b. I think I heard it somewhere in there. Everyone know what those variables mean? Slope, y-intercept, all that good stuff? Okay, so to calculate the slope of a line, you'd actually have to go through and use every individual data point and figure out what the average is and the average trend. And it can be really tedious. Or you can use Excel, right? And you can right click on this, and there's a function on there that says add trend line, ... We're gonna select that.
And you clicked on the data.
You're gonna right click on the data that you want the trend line for. So for this one, we're gonna do the blue counts, right? Which are fine. We're gonna add a trend line. And right away, it's gonna pull up just an average trend line, okay? With the window. Is everyone seeing this? Does anyone not see this on their screen?
Right click on one of your data points. And then go to add trend line.